Today I'm going to show you how to fix Facebook music story not loading. So let's get into it. First you have to open your Facebook app. Now here you have to click on the create story option. Then it will open this interface. Here you have to click on the music option at the second. Here Facebook allows you to choose any music you want and its music library is vast. Even you can search any song you want to play or add to your story. But once when you select your desired song, it doesn't play or don't load. To fix this issue, what you have to do is you have to go to your apps library. Here you have to click on the apps store or Google Play Store, and here you have to search for the app Facebook. Now see, if your app needs to be updated, you have to update your app. But if it still doesn't fix your issue, what you have to do is you have to go to your mobile settings, and here you have to scroll down and go to the apps and management. Now here you have to search for the Facebook app. Click on the Facebook app, and once you click on it, now at this interface you have to go to the storage option and first clear the cache of the app. And once you have cleared the cache, now you have to click on the force stop option at the bottom right corner. It will do nothing to your app. It will just clear the system files of the app and your app will load smoothly. Now go back and open your Facebook app and check if it does work for you or not. I'm sure that these methods will work for you. So that's how to fix Facebook music story not showing.